this wonderful brand that you've established. But can you bring us back to the beginning? Paano ba at bakit ba naisipan na gawing brand ang Eurotex?
Can I speak in Tagalog?
Yes, Taglish can be kahit ano po. Basta we're all comfy.
When we started in 1968, the phone market in the Philippines is very lousy. Madaling masira at all the customers complaining. Then we decided to gumawa ng isang brand na pwede i-guarantee at least for 5 years.
Okay.
That's the beginning of the name Eurotex phone. Actually, yung phone natin, until now, we improve our quality. Even though the cost went up, we still maintain our quality and we improve more of our quality also.
Wow, I love that. Congratulations. And ito na nga yung mattress na we can't live without every night. Okay, and I want to hear from you personally. Ano ba yung pinaka-challenge all throughout those 57 years na na-overcome ninyo and paano natin ito nagawa?
With lalo na noong the early 1970s, our government had a new program for the manufacturing of the car manufacturing in the Philippines. That's why we joined our call of our government. So we make contact with foreign company to supply us more high technologies so we can put in the manufacturing. And from that on, since 1970s, all our business went up because the trust of the Filipino people in our company.
Amazing. And actually, syempre, kailangan dito yung power force or ang ating workforce, our leadership team, everybody behind the brand. You're all responsible for its success. So we have here, we're honored to be joined by their employee number 1. Diba kayo po yun, si Sir Eddie? Palamakan naman po natin siya. Employee number 1, talaga lang. Wow. Nakakilala. I love that.
Actually, 56 years ago, the company was founded by Mr. and Robert Jane. And initially, 10 employees only.
10.
And now we have more than 6,000 employees.
Grabe. From 10 to 6,000.
And we have a club all over the Philippines now. And only we started in a small garage in Pasay. And during the early days, lots of challenges. Medyo masama ang lagay, masama ko, shrinkage, so I couldn't benta. And then finally, later on, I encouraged the founder, Robert Chen, na buo namin. Maganda na, no? Ang problema, during those days, as Mrs. Chen said, quality of home is getting back to worse. So to save the industry, Mr. Robert Chen decided to produce a high quality phone in the name of Eurotex.
Wow.
And the rest is history.
The rest is history.
And I believe that because of that decision, he was able to save our industry. Because otherwise, during this time, wala naman naniniwala sa Eurotex phone. Sa palagi sabi, we can make contact with us for 10 years, 20 years, and we can make contact with us only for 2 months. So, ang quality ng pamumuhay ng mabagsak. So, darating araw, according to Robert Chen, yung industry namin mawawala sa mundo. So, I believe that he saved the industry. Then, Robert Chen, I feel believe in, kasi Mr. Robert Chen, so, our industry. And now, it is years ago, we are already here.
Wow, I love that. Thank you very much. Ayun naman, from mattresses, automotive seating, di ba? And ngayon, nag-expand na tayo to so many more products, from pillows to their very own beddings and sheets, which I'm so excited for, di ba? Okay, and now let's talk to Sir William naman. Sir William, I know you are, of course, very, very pivotal when it comes to the expansion and growth. You know, your impact has been really amazing. So thank you for that. Tell us more about how you were able to shift non-consumers into loyal customers.
Okay, good afternoon. Baka magising lahat. Okay, as mentioned by Mrs. Cheng in Bali, so 57 years ago, Eurotex started from a small workplace. And now Eurotex, this time, Eurotex is one of the biggest foam factories in Asia. Okay, so now we have about 39 locations all over the Philippines. And during the time of business is improving, Mr. Chen, our chairman, late chairman, taught me to handle the expansion program. So I travel almost around the world and then to see the different foam manufacturing facilities, and learning the latest technology, and of course the best practices from the country like Germany, Japan, England, even Africa. So this benchmarking method so let us help us to find the best machines and raw material partners. So that's the IO design. And now about the customers. So during the time, there were many brands in the market. So we perseverance and doing the visit to every customers, and then we convert them from non-customers into buying our products. And this is how continue working with them. And after that, we get the trust from them, so they become our loyal customers. So, and then during the time in the business, the long time, so we also looking for value, almost a lot of specialists in the city. Di lang ng bayan.
Di lang ng bayan. Yes.
And then, yeah, this is continuous tuloy naman. And last year, so we built the professional and personal relationship. Anyway, however, in Eurotex, everyone in the organization contributed to the success of Eurotex. And this is always in Eurotex, it's a team effort for everybody. So, mabuhay Eurotex family.
Yes, mabuhay Team Eurotex! Narinig natin straight from the source, diba? They were there since the very beginning. At talagang trinabaho nila yung success, diba? You know, success is just, it's not like a magic wand thing, diba? We all want to think that way. Pero kailangan talaga na there's work put into it. May research, may development. There can be challenges, pero ang important is we rise above these challenges, diba? And what's important is, you know, the bigger picture. You are really here to serve the community. So thank you so much. Diba? Without a good night's sleep, paano na tayong lahat? Diba? So thank you. But before I let you guys go back to your seats, I want to ask you this question to each and every one of you. Ano ba? What is the secret behind being the most trusted brand? Ano ba yung sikreto?
Of course, we have to get the trust of the customer. Walang dayaan yan. Walang change of formula para kumita ng malaki. Even with this small margin, okay na sa amin. Basta masaya ang customer namin.
I love that. Well said. Kayo naman po.
Actually, hindi kami nagkagaya. Kasi meron tayong record. Kasi ako, during those days, gusto ng mga customer, mababa presyo. Pero pinaglaban namin, hindi pwede. Bibili kayo ng mababa presyo ng consumers only. Ito, may alcohol din, maganda quality, very comfortable, it will last you for more than 5 years. Yun ang ano yun. So, during, kaya mula 50 plus years ago, ang European brand is now very trusted by our people. Thank you.
And Sir William?
Yeah, for me, I think Eurotex, we believe in continuous improvements with the new innovations. At the same time, adopt the latest technologies. So far, our foaming machine is one of the most advanced foaming machines in the world. So, yun ang tuloy-tuloy. And the most important for the group to maintain the business, we get the trust from our customers. They trust us. And then because we also show to be trusted. That's why we are most trusted museum environment. So you know what the advertising. So buy Eurotex